how this is Sky Ninja Shadowland time here. And we are not just making friends here. Okay, we are changing clothes today. Okay, and I think it's the thing that something may look as cool right here. That's something looks cool. Yes. So let's see, and we have some friends here. Sure. Wait, do I even watch it go around itself? Oh wait, if you see my other video, you probably already know this world anyways. How it looks. Okay. Back to the map. We are going to shop. So, new stuff DSA. Or only. Yeah, I'm kind of saving right now. Now. What? In the world? Oh, this place. I say that kind of artwork looks kind of good. Woof, 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 woof. And I only had 10 diamonds in those swings. Damn. What do you think about that? Oh, intervention. Actually, how much money do we... Okay, that's a fair amount. Fair amount. Okay. So... How about this spinning again? Friends store? I do like friends. Let's see. In a battlefield. Yeah, see, was like friendly song and we go in bell. Yeah, I don't know that. Yeah, I did meet me in a bell with my tiny army of friends. That was things. I don't want to say I mean even more friends, ain't we? Oh. Sure. Okay, let's see what kind of house does she have. I got that. Shit, outrank. Ooh, statues of hearts. All this stuff in failed times. Should I write something? Wait, how do you? Hey, why not take some pictures? Okay. Oh, it doesn't show up emoji. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. This is me. The will be it for this video.